Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone Week 2. We're already started our journey through and through, and this week we're going to really start building out the demo reel. It's going to be a lot of cool stuff, but I thought it'd be interesting to take some time talking about marketing yourself through your demo reel. So let's talk about that a little before we get into the lecture this week. So yeah, let's get into it. So it's really interesting. A lot of times before you start building your demo reel, you have to consider the concepts of the fact that you have to think about how you're really going to market yourself. And I'm talking about the design aspect. Like, what is your brand? What is your design style and everything? And how are you going to do this? But how are you also going to send it out there as well? So you have to keep this in mind. How do you create your brand and how do you market your brand out there? It shows who you are in a snapshot and allows you to reach out to different avenues. That's why marketing is really important. You can do this through many ways: website, demo reels, social media, streaming sites, and so many more. But however, everything matters in the design. So how you design everything really speaks to how you can market yourself. Um, how it's designed can point you further into those certain areas as well, and how those smooth concepts go about into creating those elements and those details. And that's what's really going to make you stand out in your demo reels compared to others. Now, for artists, when you're taking a look at design and demo reels are an introduction point. They establish the artist's quality of work, the type of skills, and the contact information of how everything should be. It's a step in that door that gets you through there. It's really that first step. And title cards and end cards help you establish the design and overall flow of the reel. It establishes your art style and that brand that you can send out there, that creative thing that's yours. And that's where title cards and end cards really come into play. And so that's what we're going to be building first is title and end cards and how we can customize them to your art style. That's really how we're going to go about it. So speaking of going into title and end cards, that's one way we can start marketing yourself is creating that art style so we can build those elements to really focus upon so how we can make you separate compared to everything else. And your art style is one of those elements. And title and end cards can really do that. So these really help demonstrate your art style and personality. They help frame the presentation and also the demo reel, but they help establish your art style. Once this is done, all you're going to need to do is choose your choice of colors, graphics, and font must be easily recognizable. That's the big thing. However, with title and end cards, the whole point is your work. So you got to keep this in mind. This is where you can show off your art style. But when you get into the clips and everything, your focus needs to be the work on what you've done, not because of all the new art that you've done for the reel. There's no that everything should complement the work and showing this in a demo reel. And that's why the title card is really a place to really showcase that freedom that you can have and really showcase that it's yours. And the end card's really for showing contact information. But we'll get a little bit more into that with lecture and how we can really detail those elements further. But that's what title and end cards are there. They're here to showcase your art style, connect you to some type of artistic brand of an art style, and then you can market that down the road. Not only that, it can help really showcase your contact information, really tie it into other things like, say, for example, your demo reel has a QR code that you can scan that takes you to your website or links based upon that. There's ways to network it and do a really good job with that. It just depends how you want to go about it, but plan it out. That's the thing. Create those designs, make them your own, and that's how you're going to make it special. All right, cool. So other than that, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you this week. For the first announcement, we do have lecture 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central as always. And that's pretty much it. So do keep in mind that discussions now, introductions, intro posts are due on Tuesday. Reply posts are due on Saturday. So first week it was just Saturday because of the hurricane. This week we now have Tuesdays and Saturdays. Tuesdays the intro post, Saturdays reply post. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got. So I hope to see everybody for lecture. Really excited to have you all there. We can really start talking about the title cards and really making things stand out about demo reels, and that's what's really going to be cool. That's pretty much it. All right, everybody, have a good one. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, take it easy. I'll see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. Have a good one.